I recently got a query about how to plot a high, low, and close bar in NinjaTrader. And this query was specifically in relation to the topic of volume spread analysis. Because Tom Williams said, or Tom Williams did all his analysis of VSA on high low close bars, and he did not use the open. But on this chart, you are seeing that I'm using regular candlestick charts. Now, why I'm using candlestick charts? Because it helps me in integrating other technical analysis methods like ICT or SMC. But if you want to plot the VSA charts the traditional way using the high low close bars, it is actually very easy in NinjaTrader 8. So let us find out what you can do. All you have to do is just go to the chart. Like this is a VSA chart on 5 minutes. You can do it on any time frame. Right click, go to data series. Then instead of candlestick, go to open high low close. But now you'll see that there is an open there, but wait. Once you select this, you will get another option here called as mode. And then you select that. And in this, you can select HLC and click OK. And what you have now are bars with the high, the low, and the close, and you don't have open. So this is the way you can plot high, low, close charts on NinjaTrader. I hope you like this short video. For more such contents on NinjaTrader, VSA, and other advanced technical analysis like market profile, order flow, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. The algorithm likes it.